Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the travel companion to the Aegean application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the home button down below in the left side corner, and then click on this profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. After it is loaded, then you should scroll down a bit and tap on traveling companions, tap on add travel companion, and then you should type in the first name, last name, select the date of birth, then the title, the frequent flyer program should be selected, and the flyer number 2. If you are done with adding these details, click on the save button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.